Introducing the 60 Lipo Laser Machine, a powerful body sculpting device with 6 bands and 12 laser panels to target stubborn fats and deliver exceptional results. First, the 635 nanometers band focuses on the superficial layer of the skin to help break down fat cells and promote lymphatic drainage for smoother skin. Next, the 650 nanometers band penetrates deeper into the skin to help dissolve fat while stimulating collagen production, improving skin elasticity, and reducing cellulite. The 780 nanometers band can penetrate deeper, promote fat metabolism, improve skin texture and firmness, and provide skin bring a firmer effect. The 810 nanometers band penetrates deep into the fat layer, boosting fat breakdown and circulation for more efficient fat removal and improved contours. The 940 nanometers band activates metabolism, helps fat cells shrink, and promotes tissue repair and collagen regeneration, making the skin firmer and smoother. Finally, the 980 nanometers band targets deep fat, further accelerates fat decomposition, improves contour sculpting effect, and accurately shapes the body. Through these 6 different band combinations, this machine provides you with comprehensive fat reduction, skin tightening, and body sculpting treatments. Experience the 60 Lipo Laser Lipolysis Machine with multi-band technology for body sculpting, skin tightening, and visible results after just a few treatments.